Comparison of the 7 most outstanding android robots of 2024. The robotic revolution in Asia is advancing by leaps and bounds, with Japan and China at the forefront of humanoid robot development. These 7 standout robots are equipped with cutting-edge artificial intelligence and showcase a variety of skills and functions that are truly amazing. Although their presence is not yet prominent in the Western world, it is an opportune time to explore in detail what these robots can do, their associated costs, and their potential future applications. Starting with number 1, we find the X5. Recently, Shaw Peng Motors has launched its bipedal humanoid robot, X5, which is China's answer to Tesla's Optimus. Impressively, the X5 is endowed with extraordinarily agile and lightweight humanoid arms and hands. In fact, each hand of the X5 system has 11 degrees of freedom and can apply a clamping force of up to 2.2 pounds. This ability is enhanced by an advanced hybrid propulsion system that fuses rigid and flexible elements, allowing the X5 to handle and manipulate objects of various shapes accurately. In addition, the X5 incorporates control and actuation mechanisms into a single compact unit in each hand, and each unit weighs less than 1 pound. Before we continue, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell if you haven't done so yet. Let's continue. This integration does not affect the robot's sensitivity, as it is equipped with endpoint tactile perception, allowing for delicate interaction with different textures and surfaces. In addition, the X5 has an advanced and lightweight 7 degree of freedom mechanical arm that achieves astonishing repeated positioning accuracy of only 0.01 inches. This precision is complemented by an exceptional load-weight ratio of more than 0.6, allowing the robot to handle a maximum payload of more than 6.5 pounds, while maintaining a dead weight of only 11 pounds. The X5 can reach a maximum linear endpoint speed of 3.2 feet per second, highlighting its efficiency and speed of movement. Interestingly, it is reported that the X5 is unparalleled in its bipedal walking abilities and obstacle avoidance, thanks to its unique high-performance joint design. For this reason, the X5 is suitable for navigation both indoors and outdoors, and is capable of walking and overcoming obstacles for more than 2 hours. Number 2, the Kaleido 8.0. Kaleido 8.0 stands out for its ability to ensure exceptional stability and safety in the execution of physical tasks, particularly in handling heavy loads. Originally conceived as a rescue robot, this automaton can move over any terrain, climb stairs, and handle objects with outstanding ability. With a considerable stature of 5 feet and 7 inches and a weight of 190 pounds, Kaleido 8.0 is a sizable robot. This robot has a remarkable freedom of movement, with 32 degrees of freedom distributed in its structure. Its design allows it to perform tasks such as cleaning up debris after natural disasters, collaborating with humans in transporting bulky objects, and playing a vital role in humanitarian aid operations, such as unloading cargo vehicles. On the other hand, Kawasaki has introduced its Friends robot, inspired by Kaleido, but optimized for indoor environments such as homes, hospitals, and offices, where it must move through narrow corridors. This model presents a more stylized and lightweight design, thanks to its compact high-efficiency motors, which contribute to a significant reduction in its weight. Despite sharing the same height as Kaleido 8.0, Friends weighs only 120 pounds, facilitating its integration into domestic and professional spaces. Number 3, the Conoid Robot. Shibara Machine has recently introduced a prototype of its 3rd-generation 2-armed Conoid Robot, designed to enhance manufacturing processes with a high level of autonomy. The Conoid 3 is designed for tasks such as moving and assembling parts or packing boxes, without the need for traditional training or programming. In addition, each of its 2 6-axis arms can operate independently, thanks to the artificial intelligence algorithms incorporated into the robot. These arms can move at a speed of approximately 1 meter per second and are capable of lifting loads of up to approximately 13 pounds. The robot is specifically designed to collect and integrate its own experiences, which allows it to work alongside people next to moving conveyor belts. If you're enjoying the content, remember to like and subscribe. You would help us a lot. Number 4, the Kaleido Genki Itai Type 1. Although this robot is designed for industrial applications, it also has a humanoid appearance and is intended to replace human workers in high-risk areas. It can replicate the movements of its operator with precise force control and is controlled from a special cabin using virtual reality controllers and headphones. Thanks to the robot's integrated remote control technology, the force applied by the operator not only manipulates the robot, but also combines with haptic feedback to provide a more natural and effortless navigation experience. Number 5. H1. Unitary claims that its humanoid robot H1 is the most powerful in the world. With a height of 5 feet and 7 inches and a weight slightly over 103 pounds, this robot faithfully replicates human proportions and abilities, being able to reach a walking speed of approximately 3.5 miles per hour. The integration of a depth camera and a 3D LiDAR system allows the H1 to map its environment in 3 dimensions, allowing it to accurately perceive nearby objects and surfaces. This advanced sensory capability, combined with the integrated AI, makes the H1 not only powerful, but also cost-efficient. Despite its tall and light structure, the H1 is remarkably stable and maintains its position even under strong external influences. This stability is due, in part, to its powerful knee joints, which can generate a maximum torque of 360 Newton-meters, allowing the robot to autonomously navigate varied and challenging terrains. The robot has 5 degrees of freedom in each leg, 3 in the hip, 1 in the knee, 1 in the ankle, and 4 degrees of freedom in each arm. In terms of energy, the H1 uses a 15 ampere-hour battery to power its 2 Intel Core i7 processors, as well as its depth camera. Number 6. Intel ReSense, the dual arm of the rifleman. The robot, composed of 2 rifleman arms, is a state-of-the-art intelligent platform that stands out for its remarkable versatility and precision. Equipped with 2 7-axis robotic arms, each capable of supporting a load of up to 11 pounds, this robot is designed to be compact and flexible. Its robust structure allows independent operations with one arm or synchronized activities with both arms, making it suitable for diverse and complex tasks. In addition, the robot has a considerable reach, with a maximum arm extension of more than 6 feet and a platform height of approximately 4 feet. Despite its high performance, it maintains a moderate weight of approximately 176 pounds. The robot operates with a 220-volt power supply and a working voltage of 24 V. As for precision, the robot's repositioning is 2 inches, and it features characteristics such as laser scanning, visual obstacle avoidance, force sensors, and an emergency stop function. In terms of speed, the robot moves quite fast at a speed of around 1 meter per second and is powered by a NVIDIA Volta GPU with 384 cores and 48 tensor cores, as well as a 6-core NVIDIA Carmel ARM CPU. Number 7. Feedly. RT Corporation has developed Feedly, a humanoid robot specifically designed to collaborate in food preparation alongside human workers. Feedly uses 2 computer vision systems, one in the head to identify a wide variety of food ingredients, and another in the chest to recognize containers. This dual system approach allows for precise placement of items and handling of various foods and containers. The robot features joint structures to prevent human hands from getting trapped, and a screwless design to prevent contamination by foreign objects. But how can these robots overcome their Western rivals? Leave us your opinion in the comments. If you liked the content, don't forget to like and share it. Your support is greatly appreciated and helps us continue to share interesting information. Thank you.